Okay guys, my name is SK and I welcome you once again to S.K.M Media 7. You know, it's raining over here, so please forgive me for the background noise. Now, you see the video you are watching on the screen. This is Ada Asafotufiami 2025 88. Ada Asafotufiami 2025 has been on land, and past 3 weeks now, it's raining everywhere in Ghana. It's raining everywhere in Ghana. And when it comes to Ada here, the kind of, when you go to Nuhalenya, I went to Nuhalenya. From Nuhalenya to Wakpo to Luhuo, all those places, Amenapa, even the Songo Lagoon is full because of the rain. So the issue is, I don't know what is happening to our people. I don't know what is happening to our people. Ada, why? What is going on? What is going on? And who is behind all? Civilization has taken place whereby people are more changing things, but we are still at class 1 where we are from 1840, 1811, 10 years back. We have to change things. How can a whole traditional people, a traditionalist, when they are praying, they don't even have, if they don't have alcohol, or after using the shnap, whatever they used to, offer prayer, when they are done, sometimes what they do is they also use normal water to pray. When they use normal water, some also use, corn flour, which they mix it with water and they use it to offer prayer, and the water will be, let's say, the last thing that they use to, offer prayer. Now, the whole Ada, look at all the, things that they have. When you go to Ada, the river and the sea has met. So they couldn't get the river water. They couldn't get the river water or even pipe water. Look at the rain that is falling over 3 weeks now. They couldn't get rainwater. What they are using is pure water. They are using pure water to offer prayer. Oh my God. Oh, so he said, can somebody tell me this? Who is behind? Many potential no is behind Kadiopuke like is doing all these things. Please drop your comment under the comment section. What is happening to our people? The Ada Traditional Council, please wake up. Wake up. What is happening now? We don't understand. Come explain to us. How can a whole traditionalist be using pure water? Even the pure water, when you pour it into a calabash or grass or something, it makes sense, but they are using the pure water like that. Our ancestors will not even listen to the prayer that they are offering. Guys, I don't know what you also think about this. Drop your comment under the comment section. Watch.